Welcome. I, Pratap, along with Vimal, Vijay, Kranthi, have worked on the project Search by Content, which is an implementation of the paper Clustered SVD Strategies in Latent Semantic Indexing. This project was guided by Associate Professor P. Shantipriya, CSC Department. Before going into details of the project, let's see execution of the application which we have designed. This is the basic execution of the project. Now let's go into details of the project. In this project, we have trained the machine by giving some input text files, and later on, once the machine has learned, we have retrieved the files giving an input query. These files are characterized in such a way that all these files are nearer to the input query by some measure. We have already seen the execution of the project. In this column, we have given the machine the path to the input text files. Once this path has been given to the machine learns about the files. All these files are converted into a document term matrix representation so that the machine will be comfortable in learning about the file details. And later on, once the machine has learned about the files, we have given a query and set some other input parameters, and we have produced the output. These are the names of the files that are closer to the query under given distance measure. Algorithms used in this project are singular value decomposition and k-means algorithm. Depending upon the algorithms used for retrieval, the strategy options change from no clustering to full clustering or partial clustering. In no clustering, we use only singular value decomposition algorithm for retrieval, whereas in full clustering and partial clustering, we use both singular value decomposition and k-means algorithm for retrieval of files. In full clustering algorithm, all the clusters that are produced by using k-means clustering algorithm are considered for retrieval, but whereas in partial clustering algorithm, only those clusters that are nearer to the given input query are considered for retrieval. Let's take a brief look into the details of the algorithm singular value decomposition, which is abbreviated as SVD. In this algorithm, the given input document term matrix is decomposed into three matrices: U, S, and V. This representation means that V transpose, where U and V are orthonormal matrices, which means that U into U transpose equals to U transpose into U equals to I, where I is an identity matrix. Similarly, V into V transpose equals to V transpose into V equals to I. And S is a diagonal matrix of singular values. Singular values are nothing but the square roots of the eigenvalues of the matrix A into A transpose or A transpose into A. Once the matrix input document term matrix is decomposed, these matrices are further truncated by some random value k. These matrices are truncated in such a way that the dimensions of the document matrix is reduced, and also the part of the data that is noisy is also removed. Once the truncation of the document matrix is performed, we use the truncated version of the V matrix for document retrieval. And now let's see the k-means clustering algorithm. Initially, for k-means clustering algorithm, we fix the value of k representing the total number of clusters. How many clusters are to be formed for the given input files. Once the value of k is fixed, the files are grouped into k number of clusters in such a way that no file is repeating in two groups, that is, there is no union between the two groups, and also each file is closest to center of its group. The center of the group is calculated by summing up all the coordinates of all the files and dividing it by total number of files in the group. So each file in a group is closest to its center only. It is far away from the remaining centroids of the other groups. These are the two algorithms that we have implemented in our project. And coming to efficiency comparison, no clustering is better suitable for smaller datasets, whereas full clustering and partial clustering strategy options are recommended when the input files are large. Thank you.